October 31st, 1984. Then Prime Minister Indira Gandhi assassinated by her Sikh bodyguards. For the next 4 days, Delhi burnt. Over 3,000 Sikhs were massacred by angry mobs.
और एक कमलनाथ जो है ये झूठ का था, ये तो अंदर ही था।
मुंह से ढक के और कंबल से रखा हुआ था। मैं उतर के अभी त्रिवेणी से देखा था तो उधर से 2-3 कारें आई तो उसमें टाइटलर निकला।
The perpetrators of the massacre are known to the world. Yet there are those who, despite being tainted, hide behind the veil of innocence. Today, Republic Bharat brings you the truth behind the genocide. Truth that has been buried for 35 years. We bring you a never seen before expose. Proof that will reveal it all. We bring you voices of those who suffered the pain and aftermath of the 1984 riots. Those who were convicted for rioting. And those who were sent to jail. Speaking the truth before the camera can be tough. And this is why we carried out a sting operation. Mukhtiyar Singh stays near Rana Pratap Bagh in New Delhi. During the riots, he was working at Gurudwara Rakabganj. Mukhtiyar tells us how rioters barged into the Gurudwara and burnt 2 Sikhs alive. To this day, he can't forget the barbarism. It sends shivers down his spine. Those who instigated the violence have risen up the political ladder. Listen to the scary truth of 1984 in the words of Mukhtiyar.
कौन कौन खड़े थे?
बसंत साठे जी, बसंत साठे थे, सूचना के प्रसारण थे बसंत साठे जी।
बसंत साठे।
हाँ। और कल्पनाथ राय और एक कमलनाथ जो है ये झूठ का था, ये तो अंदर ही था।
अंदर मतलब?
गुरुद्वारे के कमांड में ही था।
गुरुद्वारे के अंदर कमलनाथ था?
कमांड में रहा।
अच्छा।
Hear it again.
नहीं, कमलनाथ आपने कहा कि अंदर थे।
हाँ।
वो क्या कर रहे थे वहाँ?
ये पब्लिक को लेके यही जलाने साड़ने के लिए आए थे।
पब्लिक को लेके जलाने के लिए।
और इनके साथ काफी लड़के थे।
Mukhtiyar saw Kamal Nath at the scene. He may now be the Madhya Pradesh Chief Minister, but for Mukhtiyar, he's still a rioter.
कमलनाथ वहाँ क्या कर रहे थे?
ये पब्लिक को यही भड़का रहे थे।
अच्छा, क्या कह रहे थे?
जो जैसे शोरगुल मचा रहे थे कि मारो, हमारी माता को मार दिया।
हाँ।
ठीक है ना?
हाँ।
इनको मारो।
Commission after commission investigated the 1984 riots. Yet this is the first time you hear an eyewitness exposing Kamal Nath. Here's more proof that exposes the role of Congress leaders in unleashing the carnage on the streets of Delhi. Atma Singh, then an auto rickshaw driver, was on his way to Paharganj when he came to know that riots had broken out.
कार उन्होंने रोक ली, फिर आगे
कार
क्या
रोक
देखा?
ली, यहाँ उतर के देखा, उसने इशारा किया
टाइटलर ने क्या बोला?
कि भाई ये गुरुद्वारा है, इसको जला दो।
हाँ।
और यहाँ पे देख लेना स्कूल भी है, इसमें जो है और हिंदुओं के बच्चे भी पढ़ते हैं।
हाँ।
तो देख लेना, बच्चों को छोड़ दो और बड़े बड़ों को मार दो।
ये बोला टाइटलर?
हाँ।
आपने देखा, ये सुना?
सुना।
Atma Singh saw Titler inciting violence. This influential Congress leader's real face stands exposed today. Next, we meet a police official who was on duty during the riots. What he tells us is shocking.
नेताओं का लोग कहते हैं कि भाई कमलनाथ आ गए थे।
उकसाया हो या नहीं उकसाया हो, क्या पता?
नहीं, कमलनाथ, जगदीश टाइटलर, सज्जन कुमार।
उकसाया होगा, जरूरी हुआ तो नहीं है।
उकसाया होगा।
The evidence against Kamal Nath, Jagdish Titler and Sajjan Kumar keep mounting. But there are others whose role will be exposed by those who are punished for the riots and they're now out on parole. When we met Ved Prakash, he was out on parole. He's now back in jail.
मांग रखी है जो मोटे मोटे मगरमच्छ है उनको भेजा जाए। ये गरीब तो आ गए, 34 साल हो गए इनको पिसते हुए। ये मोटे मोटे, अब जैसे अभी आपने बताया कि सज्जन कुमार जगदीश टाइटलर का चल रहा है सर, हैं? उसको भी भेजेंगे, वो भी आएगा तो वो भी आ जाएगा।
तो सही भेजेंगे गलत भेजेंगे?
सही आ रहे हैं जब हमारे साथ, तो आपके सामने है, देखो जो भी कुछ है, हम गरीबों के साथ ही हो गया, इनको तो सब कुछ मिल गया।
Ramesh was sentenced to 4 years in prison in 1996. He was accused for being a part of the riots.
पुलिस वालों ने खुद मरवाए सर, पुलिस वालों ने इशारा कर दिया कि लड़ाई खत्म हो गई, लड़ाई खत्म हो गई, जो दुब के पड़े थे वो निकले, इशारा कर दिया मार दो, ऐसा भी हुआ है।
तो पुलिस वाले भी नेताओं के बिना तो नहीं चलते ना।
हाँ तो वही तो बात है, नेतागिरी तो सारा काम
नेता के बेस चलती है, नेताओं की चलती है। जब
अब ये सज्जन कुमार आपके इस वाले इलाके से बोलते हैं,
ऊपर से ऑर्डर आता है तभी कुछ होता है।
हाँ।
The inaction of the Delhi police acting under the orders from the higher authorities is equally criminal. We met another 1984 riots convict, Ved Prakash. He was jailed and is now out on parole. He narrates how political interests fueled the riots.
इन लोगों ने अपने बोर्ड के मारे कर लिया, नहीं कुछ नहीं है, जो भी 50 मुस्टिक के पास आया केस नहीं, कुछ नहीं, बोर्ड बनाने के चक्कर में हमने सारा काम।
The shocking truth of the 1984 anti-Sikh riots is before you. Republic Bharat has exposed names of those who faced allegations but walked free for lack of evidence. As fresh evidence comes out for the first time, should there be another investigation into the 1984 anti-Sikh riots? Why shouldn't those politicians who are accused of inciting riots be booked? Because this is not about Delhi or the people of Delhi. It is about the people of India. It is about India. An investigation carried out by Anuj Kumar for Republic Bharat.
So 34 years on, finally the truth has prevailed. Actually, all this caught on camera. The alleged role of Kamal Nath and Jagdish Taitler, like they've called them, one of the eyewitnesses talks about. Anuj now joins us, as well as Piyush. Anuj, fantastic investigative report. मोटे मोटे मगरमच्छ अभी भी बाहर है, छोटे लोगों को तो आपने पकड़ लिया. What more proof do we really need now as far as what happened in 1984, especially the role of Kamal Nath and Jagdish Taitler? At least that is now adequately established in this sting operation. Anuj, over to you.
Well, actually, this is the biggest expose done by Indian television, Sakal, let me tell you, because these are the convicted who are speaking first time out on the television. They are the convicted who are speaking themselves and telling the truth, and they are naming Jagdish Taitler and they're calling Kamal Nath, and they're saying that these are the big fish who are still out. Bade bade magarmach abhi bhi bahar hain, marte hum log hain, garib log hain. These are the lines taken by these convicted. So there's something that is the first time any channel is showing, and this is Republic TV what we are showing, that convicted coming out and claiming that how these leaders were involved in the riots, and not only the convicted, there then we have witnesses. An auto driver who saw Jagdish Taitler claiming it very much clearly that Jagdish Taitler there on that day ordered their Congress people to kill the Sikhs, to kill the common man there out on the street, and ask them to leave the students but to kill every Sardar over there. And there the another witness, such Mukhtiar Singh, claiming it very clearly and naming Kamal Nath, that he was there in Gurdwara Rakabganj and he saw Kamal Nath there, and Kamal Nath was instigating the mob over there and was telling mob that our mother has been killed, so we have to take the revenge, so kill these people. What else Congress want? What else this investigation want? And the first time convicted coming out and making it very much clear that how police was involved, how police was ordered by the netas, by the leaders to take action, to get involved in the violence. And what we have witnessed the numbers of lives in 1984, and victims is still having tears in their ears and eyes and looking for the justice. But yes, now today we are asking a question, that why should this 1984 riots case should not be open again. Sakal.